Hello everybody! Welcome to my channel, Learning is Fun with Surya. And today, we're gonna open Pinkfong Baby Shark Alphabet Box. So let's open this, okay? We're gonna first open this. Okay, let's see. Let's put the batteries, okay? We put on these batteries, and my brother is playing it, and he's having so much fun. And this is a book. My brother can also read. It tells the alphabet here, and these ones upward, like vegetables, feelings, and even Baby Shark's family too. Let's see what my brother is doing in here. Oh, he's pressing the letters.
Lion. Light plate. Catch the light. That sound.
A-B-E-F-G. He is our ABC. Yeah. Letters, and even light play, and last we have songs too. Yeah, let's see songs. Bye. 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 It's sing. He say bye. Bye. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye. Bye guys.